Otomana uriane tenada itoloso district alamudat. Ingare no kolelo mutoso district anlo kwen na bila tuk nepeka na kapiripirit. Kiesda pote tubo kise Ecokok Ibaren luko Pokot. Olo mutoso district alamudat anyeu na atipete no yotomana lu Pokot. Nara lo makisi lum amieni kinikeche Ibaren na nyamirani tunga amisiri.
My people don't know their garden. They think everything is grass. Recently, in my kraal at the western part of Namalu, my shepherd, Mzee, because we took children to school, by the way, the Mzee was beaten. They were telling him that you move away your cows from here. With the arrows, the Mzee is now in the hospital.
Our cows, they rob our cows. I've told even women these days, they even rape them.
Tell you, currently as we are talking, some, I don't know who's Pokot or yes, cows were cut by an angry person. Because they pick cows today, they tell them we are forgiven, you take. Tomorrow they are found in the sham. Tomorrow it is the same. So when it reaches a level where somebody is trying to break the law and begin cutting cows, what extent of anger is that? But we have tried to talk to the leaders of Pokot to come. They have refused. One day I called one of them. He told us, we can't come there to assist you to flush those people out. It will affect us politically. So what you do, you chase them. So I want to tell you, Mr. General and Madam RDC, that I think because of our lenience, because of our cooperation, because we want peace, we were able to take time. But this time we have come to inform you that we have been instructed by the leaders themselves, and they have supported us to flush those people out. It should not be a question again that what is going to happen. So from tomorrow, receive your people.
Report to you that there was an influx of animals. It is not the first time it has been there, but this time they have covered up to Bulamburi. But by yesterday, the Bulamburi had sent all of them back, and of course they are now in Queen. We are now following up to inform. We came here to inform you that beginning from tomorrow, Madam RDC, the animals are coming back. Queen has become a punching bag. For us, we don't steal.
Currently, as we are talking, all the grass which was for our cows during dry season have been cleared totally. The place is in dust.
Engare no kobo lupolu kiesda nguri anetebe. Ecokok Ibaren luko Pokotilum kiesda apele ata neikino tomana misiri nekech. Omamda ingitunto sito na pedor.
No, the drought is chasing our brothers' cows to our district. But let us learn to ask, Father, I'm coming. I'm driving my animals here. We have a problem with the community. Conflict is happening between the Pokots and our people. Because for them, they're used to moving naked. Here, a parent is moving with a daughter and so on. Pokot doesn't care, just puts his shit when he's naked. That issue of nakedness is bringing a problem. A truck of watermelon costs between 8 to 12 million. But 2 gardens, 3 gardens of somebody's watermelon, they come to plead for 1 million or 2 million. What is the loss?
The issues of compensation has never been undervalued. Because every meetings of compensations, they have always invited agricultural officers who make valuations. They are the ones who value. They go, they invite them, they come, they value, and they say the extent of damage is this. And people are compelled to pay. They pay.
These ones who graze in your gardens, there is a law. Yes, it is called the Animals Straying Act. Your animal strays into my garden, you must go to prison. We have been singing this.
Kwenye dengare no kolo amuda, kiesda poti lipate itimio, ebe ngara kina ikesi tunganuda parashadis, erongo kesi tolo sete ineresine, ananyu na iponela itimo kina tionzingin.
Please, I would also beg, first of all, done with the chasing away of our people. Then the 2 districts leadership, we shall organize together with our family and a few of these regional leaders. We come, we have a meeting. If the means coming to Kwen, Gwanara DC, my commissioner.
Godfred Eyokum, TV East, Amudat.